As part of this year's challenge, you've been asked to create a video pitch. I'm here today just to tell you how easy it is and what you need. So right now, I'm using my mobile phone. You could be using a DSLR, an action camera, whatever it is, as long as you get your point across for the challenge. So here it goes. Hi, my name is Andrew Cronin. I'm head coach and founder from Aim Out Movement, which provides professional free-running parkour services across South Wales. I first came up with the aim to tackle antisocial behaviour within my community, and not just that, to provide a fun and creative sport for running parkour. I applied to the challenge to make sure I hit my dreams and find a direction I needed to go to do that. I didn't realise how many friends I would make along the way, but once being in that community, it was it. I knew what I wanted to do. So that's my pitch. Good luck, guys, and I hope you get into the challenge. It is really that easy to make your video pitch to support your challenge application. It doesn't take long. Good luck, guys, and get on it today. Alright, go for it. And hopefully this year you can be one of the challengers. I'm Andrew Cronin.